Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to work on Adobe XD. To begin, launch the application and select New File from the Welcome screen. You can choose from many artboard presets, such as web designs at 1920 by 1080 pixels or mobile layouts like iPhone 14. The interface has three main modes: Design, Prototype, and Share, each offering distinct functionalities. Your canvas is the central area where all your creative work unfolds. Now let's dive into designing. The left toolbar provides essential tools for creating shapes, lines, and text. Artboards are your individual screens. You can have dozens within one project. The Properties Inspector on the right allows you to adjust colors, add gradients, or apply shadows with precise control. For efficiency, create components from frequently used elements, ensuring consistency across your entire project. Next, we'll bring your design to life with prototyping. Switch to prototype mode to define how users will interact with your creation. Drag wires between artboards to establish navigation paths, simulating a real user journey. You can select from over 10 different transitions, including dissolve or slide effects, and set their duration. Add triggers like tap or drag to specific elements for dynamic and engaging user experiences. Finally, it's time to share your work. Use the desktop preview or the Adobe XD mobile app to test your prototype on actual devices. Generate a shareable link for reviewers to comment directly on your design, streamlining feedback. You can export individual assets, like a 24 by 24 pixel icon, or entire artboards in formats such as PNG, SVG, or PDF. Cloud documents enable real-time collaboration with up to 10 team members.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.